Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got this GPS bike computer. Miles is the name, from SHANREN. You can check down below to the description. They've got plenty products about biking. Definitely you will find the best for you. And it is alive on a Kickstarter. You can check on that. Some of the key features about this GPS bike computer: delivers professional features and metrics in a compact and easy to use format. No complicated setup or expensive equipment needs. And in front of us we've got the world's first power estimation. Did you know that you can get a consistent power reading without a dedicated power meter? Well, with Miles deliver accurate power data and valuable insights into your cycle training thanks to the innovative power estimation feature. We've got the Smart Bike Tail Light Control, worked with a SHANREN best-selling Smart Tail Light RAS Pro, and there it is. And that you can check right in the corner or down below to the description all about this product. I have made a full review and testing of this product. You can check it and you will see it's so great. You can connect it with your smartphone and you can control it from your smartphone. Everything, the brightness, the color adjustments, all you can control it from your smartphone. The LEDs on a Mile lights up in a perfect sync with the Riser Pro, using the same color mode and signaling when you brake. Plus, with a Mile you get to easily control your RAS Pro light right from your handlebar. That's very convenient. Designed for performance, track your speed, distance, time, elevation, slope, laps, time, calories, temperature, heart rate, and estimate cycling power. It has a built-in barometric altimeter for accurate elevation readings and all the functionality you may need when you are riding with your lovely bike. Lap timer button allows you information relevant to the lap to be summarized and displayed on the screen by just simply hit the lap button. We've got a Bluetooth and USB data transfer compatible with Antenna Plus, and Bluetooth make transferring data very easy. 24 hours without charging. You also get a lot of energy out of a Miles before you'll have to plug it in. Its rechargeable battery will give you 20 whole hours of a computer power. Use it with a SHANREN Sports app in a depth analysis. Brings all SHANREN products together with an intuitive and interactive interface. Share data between devices, get updates, analyze progress, plan your cycling trips, and more. Heart rate training. Miles offer a professional heart rate record and analysis. And to do that you need to use the heart rate monitor bit 10 or bit 20. And because it supports both Antenna Plus and Bluetooth connection, Miles is available with such a hybrid compatibility, no matter you need to connect it with an Antenna Plus or a Bluetooth sensor. Optimized aerodynamic design, small and lightweight. Miles' beauty is in a simplicity. We've kept only the essential to make sure Miles easily fits into a cracked arm. And there is the central mount, innovative dual side mounting, click 2. You can position in a left side or in a right side. We will use that and we are going to mount it to our bracket, and we will have the best angle view at this GPS bike computer. And because we've got a durable 2.1-inch display with an adjustable backlight for a clear data reading in both daylight and night time, definitely you will not miss any information from this display. Well, nice of that, all the specs for the product. I think it's time to open it to see what we have inside and how we are going to install it to our bike and use it. Here we've got the manual, the instruction, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Oh, and there is the beautiful, I can see input 5 volt 300 milliamp, and inside we've got a rechargeable battery. You can charge it with the cable that is included inside. Oh, so many accessories. The cable for charging, micro USB. You can charge it on a 5 volt adapter or with your power bank, it doesn't matter. And because it is an IPX7, it is a waterproof. It has this rubber and you can seal it and prevent any water to go inside and damage your lovely unit. And we've got some brackets here for installation. Turns and it locks. You can mount it directly to your steering wheel at your bike. and using this rubber prevent any movements. And with these 4 elastic rubbers, 2 and 2 different dimensions, definitely you will find the right position at the steering wheel at your bike. Now let's turn it on, pressing the middle button for 3 seconds. Let's take the protective film out. Now at the screen we can see the GPS signal is flashing. We can see we've got the time, the temperature, and we've got of course and the battery percentage. We've got the 3 buttons down here. The first button, the start, stop, current, average and max. And the second button is the power and the lap counting. Third button is the tail light turn on off and page switching. You can use all these buttons to adjust the settings. Now let's connect it for charging. I will connect it to my power bank. We can see we've got the red LED and there is charging. We've got the icon and it's charging. Now to start the parameter settings, to change some of the settings, let's say like the time, you need to press these 2 buttons, more than 2 seconds, and we'll go to this screen. Okay, 02, 03, 04. There we are. Now we are going to make the wheel settings. At the manual, you need to see what wheel you've got, and then you will see what number you can enter here. We need 2. Press this button, go to the next value. Mine is 2180. Next value. Great. And enter. 2, we've got the speed distance unit settings. We've got kilometer per hour. We can change that to mile. We need kilometer. Okay, next we can go to the weight settings. Next value. Next value. Okay, here we are. And confirm. And next we've got the temperature unit settings. It is here, you can see Celsius. You can change to Fahrenheit and Celsius again and confirm. Road or mountain bike? Road. Confirm. GPS. Off or on? Let's leave it on. Confirm. Buzzer settings. Off or on? Confirm. FTP settings. Let's leave it in 2. Confirm. Time zone settings. Let's leave it 08. Confirm. The time is wrong. Okay. And you can change that and the minutes. And the minutes is correct. And that was all. That was and the parameter settings. Now at the display we've got 3 of these displays. Just press this. We've got the first display, second display, third display. Again, the first display, we can see the time, the trip distance, the cadence and the heart rate monitor. And of course here it is the kilometer per hour. And if I press this, it will show you the average and the maximum. Press it again. And if you press and hold, it will start the activity record. And just press it again and it will stop. Let's go to the second screen. We've got the slope here, the elevation here, the power here, and the normalized power, it is here. And of course the kilometers per hour. And again, it is the same, and with this button you've got the average and the maximum, and you can start and stop the activity recording. Third screen, we've got the time, the distance, left-right balance, and here's the power meter. And of course we've got the kilometers per hour, and again we've got the average, the maximum, and you can start activity recording and stop. And then we've got the first screen again. Very easy to control and from here. Now I would like to pair the Smart Tail Light RAS Pro. There it is. We've got here. Now to do that, you need to press this button and this button for more than 2 seconds. Press this button and go to the 6. Press this button and start pairing. Press and hold the button for over 2 seconds to turn on off the tail light. It is on, as you can see. Let's press it, and I think it's been connected. It's not flashing anymore. Well, let's go back, turn off, and then turn on again the unit. Now at the unit we can see the tail light is flashing. If I'm going to move my bike, it will wake up and then it will stop flashing, and we can see the GPS signal. It is steady now, 2 lines, and there is the tail light icon is not flashing anymore. It's been connected. Nice. And when it goes to the sleep mode, we can only see the time and the battery percentage. And when I'm going to move my bike, it will turn on again. And as you can see, the backlight is always on. To turn it off, just press these 2 buttons. Off, it says. And now after a few seconds, it will turn off the backlight. And if you need always to be on, it says, it always be on. Now another device that you can connect with this GPS bike computer, it is this speed sensor. It says dual band wireless. Okay, let's open it. Some rubber inside for installation. Speed sensor, battery CR2032 3 volt to work with that. Some manuals. Nice. You can connect it, and of course with the SHANREN Sport app, or you can connect it directly to this device. To do that, again, we need to press these 2 buttons. And there it is. Press this. Pair. Let's turn it on first. Take out the plastic for the battery. And again, install. Unlock it. And we can see we've got a green light. Ready. And it's been connected. That was very easy. And you can see the speed sensor is flashing. It will not take too long to connect this. And here it is, now it's been connected. And next I'm going to install this to my bike steering wheel. It is the Click to Central Mount Innovative Dual Side Mounting. Left side and right side. And I'm going to connect this GPS bike computer. Ooh, feels very nice. Nice, we've got some Allen here and here. It feels very durable overall, not any cheap material. And inside there is the Allen key and some rubber for better installation. You can fit them here. It depends the thickness of your steering wheel at your bike. Nice. Many accessories, and I think it's time to move on for installation, install all that to my bike and see how they work. Of course, I will do some riding outside. It is very important to check out how is working this unit. Now for installing the GPS bike computer, you need this adapter to install first to the steering wheel. We've got rubber at the base. I will use the 2 large rubber rings. It depends the thickness of your steering wheel. Take the unit, press, rotate, and it will lock. Perfect. Very easy to install. That is the first option. Now again, press, rotate, and it will unlock. Second option, we've got this bracket. As you remember, take out the screw with the included Allen key. And you need to use 2 of these 4 rubbers. We've got 2 large and 2 small. I will use the small. And they will fit perfectly here. Find the right position. Take the GPS unit, press, rotate, and that was all. Perfectly. It fits very well to my steering wheel. It blends very well. Adjust it again wherever you want and just tighten it more. Wow, it's perfect. It is in the middle of the steering wheel. I like it. Now I will install the speed sensor. Now at the box there was these two rubber rings. I will use the larger. Just install it here, just like that. And I need the sensor speed to install it at this wheel hub. And that was all. It was very easy. It's not going anywhere, it's not moving. The rubber, it is tough enough, it will not break. And next I will install this RAS Pro tail light. It comes with these two rubber rings, the base with the rubber, and you can check down below to the description all the review that I made for this product, the full review how it's working. And we need to install it here. First rubber will go here, and the second will go here. And then take the RAS Pro tail light, rotate, and it will lock. It was very easy to install it at the bike. And remember, this is synchronized with the GPS miles computer unit. And now let's move on for biking. Start the activity recording. And I can see after a few seconds we've got some values at the display. I can say the speed sensor, it is very accurate. I have with me another one at other place on my bike, and just for compare it, I can see it is the same. The display outside at the sun, it is very friendly reading, no problem, I can read everything. And after a few minutes we've got some values about the power, NP power, trip distance, moving time, kilometers per hour. And at the end we can check the minimum and maximum average. Well guys, that was all about. I think it's performing very well when I'm biking and is communicating very good with the speed sensor. We don't have any interruptions. And the same goes and for the RAS Tail Pro, it works perfectly at the back of my bike. And of course you can check down below in the description the video that I made for this RAS Pro tail light, the full review. Well, I will keep biking, I will use it, and I will see how it goes. If something wrong with something I don't like it, I will leave down below to the description my thoughts. And if you need something to ask, please don't hesitate, I will answer to your question very fast. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. If you need to buy this product and all the accessories that it come with it, you can check down below in the description where you can find it. It is on Kickstarter now. And SHANREN, they've got so many products about biking, definitely you will find something that you like more. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like it, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know when you need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.